cheerful heart.
So here's the whitefox package. We're gonna do a try-on haul. You guys can use my code BaileyXO to save 15% on your order. I will have everything linked down below so you can quickly shop. Whitefox also stocks Whitefox Swim and Whitefox Active. They offer Afterpay for all US, Australian, New Zealand customers. And they have express worldwide shipping. So I'm gonna try these pieces on. I'm so excited. Here's the Never Been Hurt mini dress, size extra small in oatmeal. I definitely should have gotten a small. I'm probably going to exchange it for a small because as you can tell, I'm kind of like busting out the seams and I don't even have like big boobs. So I'm quite flat chested. So yeah, a bummer. But I need this in a small because this is the most gorgeous, most flattering dress ever. Like the way the waistline is, like it has this seam that kind of goes down. It's just really flattering on the waistline. This is flattering even though it's pretty tight. Like I think a small would just be like chef's kiss. The straps are adjustable, so I love that. I always have a hard time with straps fitting, and this does get quite wrinkly, but you can easily steam it out. It's short, like it's a mini dress, but it doesn't feel too short to where I'm like, oh my gosh, cheeks are out. And for Italy, what I'd probably do is just wear like some nude color shorts underneath. I think they have this in more colors and I will 100% be snagging it. Okay, so here's the Stay Together mini dress in cream. Again, an extra small. Whoopsie. I can't zip the back. I think if I were to loosen this, like retie it and then get someone to help me zip the back, it'd be fine. But by myself, I can't get the like very top part zipped. But it's this silky smooth fabric, this corset that has these bones in it. They're not as stiff as some other bones. Again, the straps are adjustable. The cups are a little small, but it's fine. It is shorter in the back than the other one, but I think if I pull it, it's okay. Yeah, like see how I can't zip that part, but I think if someone were to help, I could. It's not, like I don't think it's sheer. I definitely think it'll be fine. Again, I do kind of wish it was like where underneath was like a jumpsuit, sorry, was like a romper. That way if the wind blew, like, you know, you'd be good. Matching set, this is the Miss California Bustier, size extra small. And then the Just a Party mini skirt, size extra small, both in the color blue. So again, it's, if I want it high rise, it's pretty short. The top is gorgeous and I'll definitely be pairing it with like multiple different items. Like you could wear it with jeans, a white skirt, pair it with like some white heels, white boots. I really like the top. The bones fit really nice. This gives me enough coverage. I like this detail. I think it just adds a little something extra. And then the skirt is kind of like a stiff material. And then it's just got this like trim detail right here. It's got a cute little rose. I love this blue, which is why I grabbed it. Again, back is quite short. Like I definitely feel like cheeks are out a bit. We'll definitely be packing it probably for a going outfit in Texas. It's the I Was Here long sleeve crochet crop. Also, I'm wearing a bra under it, obviously, because like you can see. So I guess you'd have to wear it with like a bandeau bathing suit. The skirt is see-through. So the skirt is called Give Me Something Crochet Mini Skirt in extra small. They're both extra small. I love this blue. I think it's perfect for a fun, easy cover-up, but also very cute and stylish. So this is what the back looks like. Quite flattering. I don't think you can see anything. Okay, so here's the Only Yours shirt in small medium. So it's this sheer like floral button up with a collar. I'm gonna wear it as like a cover up, so I'd probably leave this open, show my bathing suit through it. Yeah, because I just feel like it's not that cute when I wear it like this, but if I had it open with my bikini showing, I think it'd be cuter. It is comfy though. And then I'm pairing it with the Own the Show pants, size extra small. It's got a drawstring, so pretty stretchy. Again, a linen material with the floral detailing. They're just straight leg pants. Super cute, very comfy. More modest cover up. Definitely is a material that will wrinkle. Okay, so here's the high definition sports bra in Sage, size extra small. It's this like buttery soft material, crosses over. The straps aren't adjustable, but they actually fit really nice. It does have removable cups. I love this green. I'll probably be snagging more. Yeah, I love minimal sports bras. I also have this leather biker jacket. I know it's summer here, but in Australia, I believe they're going into fall winter. And I saw this and I was like, I don't want to wait and this go out of stock for when it's fall here. I thought it was so cute and I've been looking for a jacket like this, so I snagged it. Full speed PU biker jacket. Bad. It just, I feel like it makes me look a little straight. But again, I can leave it open. It's a nice leather jacket for fall and winter, and it's really good quality, so I'm here for it. So it's obviously been a little bit later. I got my hair done, did my usual thick money piece. It's so bright. It's so weird. It's also weird seeing it like so straight. I'm gonna go to the grocery store in a little bit, but I wanna unpack some of my stuff. I haven't moved anything into my guest bathroom, so I wanna do that. So that is the plan. It's a pretty chill day. I mean, it's already 4 o'clock. My hair took like 3 hours. No. My hair took like 2. And then I ran to the mall, got an acai bowl, had to return Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Just wasn't a match for me. Also, suit is like an old whitefox. I think it's honestly still probably available. It's their jumpsuit. I believe they have it in white and black and maybe another color. They also have it in the shorts. So I want to show you guys a few things I got, because after I got my hair done, I went and got acai bowls. And I also stopped into a store. I saw these in Texas, but couldn't take them home with me because they wouldn't fit in my carry-on. So I had a store near me, so I had to go in and grab it because I posted about it on my Instagram. So I got these cups. This one's kind of like a Stanley, but it's not that same brand. I believe it was like $34. It's Howdy, literally me, so cute. And then I saw these cups that I feel like would be perfect for greens. Or like your pre-workout. So I got 2. There was a sale going on. So it's this You're So Golden in this super cute font. It's a glass with bamboo top and then a thick straw. And then I also got it, It's a Good Day to Have a Good Day. I just thought this was so cute. They have a ton of different other ones that I'll honestly probably buy because, again, they're just so freaking cute. So that's pretty much my mall haul. Alright guys, it is now time for dinner. So I'm gonna make this, then shower, and then probably call it a night and edit this video. My head just hurts so bad. My head just, I'm like at a point where I just like need to go to bed. I need to lay in a dark room. So thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry. My head hurts so bad. Chemicals. Definitely check out whitefox. Again, my code at BaileyXO will save you 15% off your order. They also stock whitefox Slim and whitefox Active, so they have a ton of options for you to shop. They have express shipping. They also offer afterpay for all US, Australian, and New Zealand customers, so definitely check them out. I will have everything that you saw in the little haul linked down below. I gotta go to bed.